What's up YouTube, it's your man Wolf Official, and in today's video I'm showing you all how to install, well not how to install headlights, I'm not doing that in today's video, but in today's video I'm showing you guys how to protect your headlights and keep them from oxidizing. Now if you don't know what oxidizing is, it's basically when your headlights get all yellowy and they get all foggy kind of, but it's not really foggy, it's the plastic getting messed up and hit by the sun. That's how I would sum it up for you guys, but that's pretty much what oxidizes. I'll go ahead and show you what my headlights look currently. When they look like that, it doesn't mean you have to buy new headlights. I've sanded it and fixed it for it to look brand new. You can try that, but if you feel on your headlight and you feel a whole bunch of rough spots, more than likely time for you to get some new headlights, but you can still buff that out and get that out by wet sanding. Wet sanding is what you want to do. That's what I had to do with mine. Make sure you do your research though. The product that I'm using in today's video is going to be from Chemical Guys. It's their Jet-Sealant. It's a Jet-Sealant and paint protector, which I'm not using it for paint protection, but you can. And this stuff says it's good for up to 12 months of protection. So that's great. 12 months, baby. That's a year. Let's go. So let me show you guys the headlights I got. All right, ladies and gents, so we got the Jet Seal. If you guys haven't already, make sure you shake it good. So pretty much to apply this stuff, guys, all you have to do is make sure this stuff don't shoot in my face. It'll shoot in you guys' face. Where are your goggles, man? Where your goggles at? There we go. So we're gonna put 3 dots on. We're gonna do that, that's good enough. It's a big headlight, it'll move around. And once we have it on all 3 spots, you simply just want to rub it on. So, oh boy. And actually, I do want to get under there actually too, because that's not a high area to get to. It's not easily to access when it's actually on the car, but hopefully you guys can see this is what you want to do. Pretty much just rub it on, and honestly, I think I'm gonna put a little bit more on, because actually no, that should be good. And I'm pressing down, but I'm not pressing down hard. I'm just pressing down enough to apply it, because we don't want to put any scratches on here. We just want to apply the sealant. And as you guys can see, it's already looking real shiny. And what we're supposed to do now is play the waiting game. So we're going to wait 20 minutes.
20 minutes later.
What's the next step? Get a microfiber towel and just buff that stuff off, you know? Ooh, this thing is mad smooth, yo. Wow. I definitely think you should put this on your car's headlights, but oh yeah, getting it right. And honestly, I'm just waiting for the timer to go off for that one, because we put that one on second, but we put this one on first. But I'll catch you guys in the next video. But oh man, don't these look aggressive though? Or just super clean? I don't know what it is, but I love them. So that's gonna be a wrap to the video, guys. I'll catch y'all in the next one. It's your man Wolf. Make sure you subscribe. I'm out. Peace.
Now look at this. Madness, the magnet keeps attracting me. I try to run.